Good morning, students. Hope you all are fine. Today we will have revision class on linking verbs. Right? We had a class on linking verbs previously. Now we will have a revision class on this. So before we start our discussion, I would like to answer to Ankush Pratihar. You asked me that in auxiliary verbs, study material 2, exercise number 2, number 5, instead of can, if we use whether we can use might, right? So yes, you can use might, because I have noted down there. You must have followed that the answer may vary, right? So yes, if you write might, that is also not wrong answer, but can is the most appropriate one. But if you write might, I definitely cannot mark it as incorrect. So I hope you are answered. So today we will let us focus on our class only, and I want that if you all have some query regarding the subject, so this way only you all can send me a mail and I will be answering in my live this particular class only. And that means you have to follow each and every class, right? So let us focus on this, but before that you need to do today's work. You need to do the works by your own self, and then you need to come here and to follow the discussion and to check whether all of your answers are correct or not. So the first question was given, the first exercise was given, where you were asked to circle the linking verbs and underline their complements. I have highlighted the linking verbs and I have underlined the complements. So the first sentence was, Maya turned 20 this year. So I would like to highlight once again about linking verb. Linking verb is a verb that helps us to understand what the subject is or the state of the subject being in it. Along with that, it can sometimes tell us something more about the subject as well. So here, Maya turned 20 this year. So turned, this is linking verb because it tells us about that Maya turned 20 this year. 20 is the complement, and that makes us feel that turned is a linking verb. Next one, the dog was happy. State of being of the subject is the dog was happy. Happy is the complement, was is the linking verb. Next one, the room full of flowers smelled heavenly. Yes, room that was full of flowers and it smelled heavenly. As soon as we read the sentence, as if we can get the fragrance right here, right now. Yes, so smelled is a linking verb, and heavenly is the word that we can consider as complement, right? Because it says us something more about the room. Yes, that full of flowers it was and it smelled heavenly. Now number 4, Gyan was quite young then. State of being again was linking verb, quite young. So quite young is the complement. Number 5, the wait seemed like an hour. Yes, a person maybe was waiting for an hour, but how nicely it is presented over here. The wait seemed like an hour. So seemed is obviously linking verb, and like an hour complement. Next one, I feel sleepy when I stay up late. I feel sleepy. Yes, obviously state of being. So feel is linking and sleepy is the complement. Number 7, the soup looked inviting. It was so delicious. It was looking so nice. So means the person felt that it was inviting him. So the soup looked inviting. Looked linking verb, inviting complement. Number 8, this appears to be simple. Appears, it is one of the word that we all know that it is used as main verbs also, as well as linking. So appears linking, and to be simple is the complement. Then we were asked to fill in the blanks, and we were supplied with some words, and we were asked to use those linking verbs to complete the sentences, and we were asked to use a word only for one time. So the first one was this was Storm clouds gathered and the sky turned grey. Next one, Tara dash nervous before the show. Looked. Obviously, the answer will be looked. These words are already given. Only I want to make you feel that all of your answers are correct. I know you all have done the answers rightly. So obviously, you all only need to match it with my answer, right? So number 3, after she lost the match, Jaya dash depressed. Sounded is the most appropriate one to be fit here. Next one, there dash 17 members in a group. There are obviously. A work dash impossible on a hot summer evening seems. Next one, the hot soup dash great. Taste it. Number 7, everything dash worst and fresh after the shower of rain appears. We witness this thing, right? After the rain, everything appears means washed as well as fresh. Number 8, children need to be kept busy during holidays or they dash restless and bored grow, just like our present scenario, right? So these are the answers. Then we were given exercise 3 where we were asked to underline the main verbs and we were about to state whether they are linking or not. In that case, again we need to remember what a linking verb is and then we need to compare. So Payal appears come. Appears is the main verb and appears itself linking. We all know it serves as main verb as well as linking. So obviously it's linking verb. Next one, he became anxious about working for the first time. So here again he became anxious, became, it's linking verb. Next one, we grew flowers in our garden. We grew flowers in our garden. Here grew is the main verb, but it does not say anything about us. We is the subject here. The word we is the subject here. So it doesn't tell us about we, what we are, our state of being. Yes, it just says about our action, what we did. We grew flowers in our garden. So obviously this is not linking verb, right? Next one, feel the texture of the stone. Feel the texture of the stone. Here also the subject is hinted, means you are asked to feel the texture of the stone. So it doesn't say anything about the subject or state of being or some more information regarding the subject. The sentence just says us to feel the texture of the stone. It is asked to commit some action. Obviously it's not linking verb. Next one, they stayed at home. They stayed at home. Again, stayed, this is the main verb which deals with action. So it's not linking verb. Next one, Charu grew impatient about the delay. She grew impatient. Yes. So grew, impatient means state of being. So obviously linking verb. Grew is the word here. Impatient is the complement. Next one, the dress looked beautiful on Mira. Looked beautiful. The dress is the subject here, that looked beautiful on Mira. So it's obviously, it says something more, or it says, it somehow says, or it the statements when it is, the dress is on someone, the dress looked beautiful. Yes. So here the word looked is the main verb and it is linking as well. Next one, the people stood at the gate waiting to meet their hero. The people stood is the main verb, at the gate waiting to meet. Another verb also we find here, but none of them are linking because all are talking about their action. Both the words are talking about action. Main verb stood, action. So it's not linking verb. Next one, Gaurav tasted the delicious dish. Tasted, obviously action. It's not linking verb. Next one, everyone looked for the lost papers. Looked. Once again, search for, looked for. So this is obviously not linking verb. So this is the discussion for today, and we have done with linking verb also. So now you need to again, if I know most of you have done all the answers correctly, but still one or two if you have not done all the answers correctly, now you need to go through the chapter again, right? You need to go through the chapter again, then you need to practice the same questions again. Yes, this is the basic thing you should always follow, that if I was given 10 questions and at my first attempt if I am able to answer 7, then I should, without checking the answers, just by going through the material once again, next time I will be trying to do all the 10 answers correctly. This way only you can crack all the questions. So I want those who have done one or two mistakes need to practice this again, so that this time all of your answers come according to your wish, right? So you need to go through the chapter once again. This much for today. I will be discussing more on the next chapter the next day. Till then, take very good care of yourself. Keep on doing your work, keep on studying, and if you face any kind of problem, please let me know through your email or comments. Okay, take care. Have a good day. Thank you.